Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. We are making a delicious Caesar salad dressing. We're going to start by creating a paste, which we're going to need 5 anchovy fillets, we'll need 1 large clove of garlic minced, and we'll be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, let's just work this into a paste. Really make sure you get in there and mill that anchovy up. And this looks great. So we're gonna stop here with the paste. And that was the most difficult part. So let's get this together. We're gonna add 2 egg yolks. And if you don't wanna use the egg yolks, you can always just substitute with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and let's whisk these ingredients together. Once we get the ingredients blended together well, we're going to slowly add 1/2 cup of light olive oil and whisk at the same time. And let's continue to whisk until the dressing becomes smooth, glossy, and creamy. So it's just been about 45 seconds. We've got the consistency that we want. And let's add in this delicious paste and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And let's do some final whipping and we are done. And here is our Caesar salad dressing. I'll be using this Caesar dressing on a beautiful salad that I made. I have butterhead lettuce in here, some spring greens, also some baby arugula. There's some raspberries and blueberries. There's pecans and bacon. It's gonna be a delicious salad. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Bye-bye.